What's up, guys? We're here to give you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the Oakley Gibston. Did I say that right?
I don't think the T's silent.
Okay. What's up, guys? Andrew here at Sportrx, and I'm joined today by Nick from Oakley. He's our Oakley rep.
Yes, I am.
You are.
And we're here to talk about the Gibston with a T. This is a new release from Oakley. This is really like your nuts and bolts, basic Oakley, full O-matter construction. This is if you just love Oakley, you love the fit, you love the styling, and you don't need any of those extra crazy frills. This is where it's at. This thing is really, really cool.
It is. Before we get too far into frame details here, I do want to mention, if you love this type of content, maybe you love Oakley, maybe you just love sunglasses, you should probably subscribe to our channel. So hit that the doorbell, the bell looking thing. It should be here. Maybe it's over there. Just hit that and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know what you think about this sunglass in the comments below.
Yeah.
We love your feedback. If you have any questions, put them down there and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So we're Sportrx. This is an RXable frame.
It is.
You can get them with prism lenses.
You can.
Prism is amazing. If you haven't tried it yet, we have a full video talking about what it does for you. But basically, it boosts contrast, makes everything in your environment easier to see, and it's available in prescription. I think I said that, but
yeah, if you love sunglasses, you wear them a lot, you're interested in lens technology, check Prism out. It's definitely worth it. Yeah, super, super cool. And this frame's super cool. Probably more medium, small size. Fits Andrew pretty well.
I have a small head.
Yeah, 6 base, so it has a little more wrap to it, so it's gonna give you some coverage on the side. This is just your no frills, go get them sunglasses. This thing's awesome.
Yeah. Other than that though, I mean, I think I kind of like how mellow the frame design is, right? It's just complete O-matter, super durable frame. Oakley pretty much nailed it as far as keeping it just simple, straight to the point, exactly what you need with nothing kind of over the top.
This is like your Oakley purist piece. You know, if you like gas can, you like fuel cell, you know, newer pieces, drop point, things like that, this is gonna be your go-to sunglass that you can just beat the heck out of and it'll keep going.
And release date, so these are fall 2019 from Oakley. Again, as we shoot this, it hasn't yet been released to the public, but should be soon. As soon as it is available at Sportrx, I'm gonna add a link in the description below so you can shop it at Sportrx. I think that's pretty much it.
That's it, the Gibston with a T.
Later.
Super cool.